Nice, Gavin! I don't know if you can tell what's happening here. Let's see if I can get some better light. Side of my house, just to the left is a giant pile of snow. There's a small light off to the left of that. The kids are riding their sleds off of the roof. It's the night before Hannah's birthday. And this is going to be one of her birthday party activities. So they're trying it out tonight. Hannah will be going. Okay! Woo! There went Dad.